Josh here at Jordan Bikes in Leeds, and this afternoon we have got a 2020 Ducati V2. The bike itself is absolutely totally standard, so it's been in for a full ECU remap. We're going to do the final run and then we'll run through everything that we've achieved. So when we started mapping, the standard map that were in it, it made just over 133 brake horsepower, and as you know we typically see with Ducati maps, they always tend to run really rich, so through the mid-range and top end. So we basically sorted the fueling out, made it run absolutely perfect, which that's ironed out the sort of mid-range where it was just kind of hesitant, sort of after 5,000 revs. So we managed to smooth all that out as well, and we smoothed all the electronic throttle mapping out as well. De-restricted that as well because there were quite a few restrictions here and there. So we smoothed all that out, and we've got exactly 144 brake horsepower, which is absolutely cracking for a standard bike. Yeah, so I'm really happy with it. It's made power everywhere and it's a lot smoother, which is something that you want with a V2 Ducati. So yeah, if you want yours doing, please give us a call.